In keeping with the theme from our last bundle, the Give a Gift SVG bundle, where we have a series of really simple boxes that are super handy for last minute gifts that can be actually customized for pretty much any occasion, because there's really no motif or theme on it that would lend itself to anything specific. So if you change the colors out, you know, use certain pattern papers or whatever, it could really be used for pretty much any holiday, any occasion, or whatnot. And we thought it'd be a great idea to include a little thank you card, or whatever sort of card you want to use this for, to go along with these little gift boxes. So with that said, let's take a look at what we have in front of me here. And as you can see, we've got this all cuts out of one color, this cuts out of one color, and we have a cute little envelope to go along with it. The assembly on this is very straightforward. So you'll have your card base. You're going to want to take and just fold it in half. We have this little piece that's going to go right in here to kind of, you know, give this piece right here some nice contrast. So what we want to do is begin by getting glue onto these little areas here. Now there's a lot of details here, so you got to kind of work quick. And you don't have to get it on every little inch of this, but do your best to cover as much of the surface area here as possible, so you don't have any of these little bits coming up at all. Okay, and then we're going to take this and just lay it right on top, making sure that we get it nice and lined up with the actual orange part. In my case, it's orange. In your case, it may be a different color. And then just give that a nice push. Okay, and just be patient while that sets. And there we go. We've got the front of the card, and then give it a fold. I had a little excess glue that kind of shot in there, but that's fine. Okay, and then we can take this little piece here, get that glued right in the center of the interior of the card. And that is where we're going to use a little stamp or write a little note, whatever it may be that you want to include. If you want to say thank you, or you're invited, or I love you, whatever it is, just pop that right in the center there. Just do your best to make sure that you get a nice even border all the way around. And voila, very quick, nice elegant card that would be good for a man, woman, child, probably maybe not a child, but a teenager or whatnot. But there's your card. Super quick, super simple. And as always, we could not possibly think of including or giving you a free card without a nice coordinating envelope. So what you want to do here is just fold everything at the score marks, grab this little piece here, and that's going to go in here. And a little bit of this is actually going to be showing through. Okay, so you'll see a little bit of this green popping through here a little bit. And with that being said, and because there are cutouts here, you probably don't want to put glue there. I would apply my glue here, just so that we know exactly where the glue needs to go, so we don't have any of it showing through these little cutouts here. And again, just do your best to make sure that you're getting as much coverage as possible, and don't worry about going too crazy with it. And my technique here is to take this piece and kind of lift it up so that there's that little valley there. Take this piece and just kind of nudge it up to the valley so that you know that it's flush, and then just kind of fold it over into place. Okay, make sure that you have it centered before you do that, and mine looks pretty good. So then I can go ahead and push that down like so, and there we go. We got a beautiful little envelope to go along with our nice card here. Once we have that in place, just simply take these tabs, fold them over nicely, and go easy on the glue with these tabs. For some reason, when I'm making envelopes, if I do too much glue, it kind of warps these little tabs here, and it makes it look a little unsightly. So I always do my best to minimize the amount of glue that I put on these tabs with these envelopes here. And I'm going to spread that out so that that glue gets right out to the very edge to ensure a nice clean seam. Take this and just fold it over and push that down so that it gets a nice hold. Be patient while that holds. And there is your cute little envelope. Beautiful. Take our card. It shouldn't matter which way you put it in since it is square. It should fit nicely, and voila. Super cute. I don't know why, but I like things that are a little small. Now, if you are like I do, if you're using your machine to cut the score marks on an envelope like this, if you're not using a score tool, you can always take a little dowel and just with a little bit of pressure, just run it along the edge to kind of flatten those score marks out so it looks a little more smooth. And that will complete our look here. And that will complete our video. So this is a great little project for someone that's brand new to Dreaming Tree. This video will be pretty much unedited because I didn't really have to sneeze or cough or do anything silly that I usually do during a video, which requires me to edit it out. So you can see just how quickly it all goes together and how simple it is. So again, if you are new to Dreaming Tree, definitely give this a try. Very simple. We have videos on the website under the help section that show you how to use our files with basically any machine, any popular machine out there. So give that a shot, and if you did enjoy this tutorial, please take a moment to visit our YouTube channel and hit that subscribe button. And as always, I look forward to crafting with you again.
Stay on top of all things Dreaming Tree and engage with us today. Get the latest news and enter in our giveaways on Facebook. Get inspired by following us on Pinterest. Be the first to see our new product launches on Instagram. Do you prefer Twitter? Yep, we're there too. Watch our beautiful product trailers and assembly tutorials on YouTube. For more information, visit www.3dsvg.com. Live, craft, love, and dream.